Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Arbinu, Arbinu, all one word. That is also the ticker symbol for the token and the name of the token. It is actually up 107.49% right now, this token. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Arbinu. So Arb is short for Arbitrium. This is on the Arbitrium blockchain. They have their contract address available here on CoinMarketCap. So how do you get this token? Well, let's see where it is listed here. So it is listed on Sushiswap. So basically, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet. It says with wrapped Ethereum is what it's paired with on Sushiswap on the Arbitrium network. So yeah, and then you would go into the dApps through your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet and find Sushiswap, and then trade your wrapped ETH for the Arbinu token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their Arbiscan that is available also on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their webpage, which is arbinucoin.com. They also have a Twitter that is available on CoinMarketCap. Their Twitter is at Arbinu Coin. It says meet the first Inu on the Arbitrium network. They have a Telegram at Arbinu Coin, and their Twitter just joined in December 2022. Very brand new project. 176 tweets, so they're very active on Twitter. 3,551 Twitter followers. Their latest tweet from 4 hours ago is their pinned tweet, and it says the biggest buy competition starts right now, and the prize is 0.4 ETH. Ends in 12 hours at 8 a.m. UTC. Winner needs to hold for 24 hours after the buy, and then it says comp has been finished. Okay, it says 4 hours. Okay, I don't know what that means, but it's after the buy when comp has been finished. I see. So basically it ends in 12 hours from 4 hours ago, so 8 hours from now. Then you still need to hold it for another 24 hours after that, after it's done. And it says prize is 0.4 ETH, which is equivalent to $650 US right now anyways. That could change really quick in the world of crypto. So yeah, their official webpage is where you're going to find most of the information. You can check out Medium articles, it looks like, as well. Let me see what type of Medium article. Oh, they haven't published any Medium articles yet, so never mind. Only the webpage you can check out now, and their Twitter and Telegram. So contract address right at the top of their webpage. Then their socials. They have a link to Get Arbinu. You can click on that. They have a chart, which is a DEX Tools chart. It says Arbinu, meet the first Inu on the Arbitrium network. Arbinu is a community-owned, fair launch token born out of the desire to create a home for all members of the greater Arbitrium ecosystem. It serves as a cute and cozy, all-accepting family where everyone has a seat at the table and can freely speak their mind. Token info is on here, so it says 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. There's a buy tax and a sell tax of 4%. So if you do buy this off of Sushiswap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 4% to buy or sell this token. Now, it doesn't say right off the bat what the taxes are even for. They probably should say that. Contract info is on here. And it says so far they have 1,168 holders, 3,301 transfers. And there's a lot of swaps going on as of recent because it just got listed on CoinMarketCap 33 seconds ago, 36 seconds ago, 1 minute ago, yada, yada, yada. Most of the swaps have just been done, basically. So there is a max wallet here to prevent whales from pumping and dumping. So that is, you can only hold 2% of the tokens in one wallet, which is 20 million tokens. So it says that this is a fair launch. They have ownership renounced, and they have liquidity locked, and they have Arbiscan links to both of those, so you can check them out just to make sure that the liquidity is locked and ownership is renounced. Now the roadmap is on here. So phase 1, complete website, create social media, token launch, recruit marketers. Phase 2, 1,000 holders, coin market cap listing, and then it says CoinGecko listing. So CoinGecko listing is next. That's where we're at right now. Then a token audit. So they're going to get a full audit. They don't say by who yet. Next phase, 3,000 holders, partnerships, Arbinu swap. So they're going to come out with their own swap. Then they're going to have DeFi staking and farming. So they'll be able to stake and farm this token to acquire more tokens. And last phase, it says 5,000 holders. Then they're going to have collectible 3D art. I assume they mean NFTs. You'll be able to buy some Arbinu NFTs. And then they're going to have their own Arbinu launchpad, which is basically a launchpad is like Pink Sale, where you can launch new token projects or even NFT projects, depending on what type of launchpad it is. And then it says more to come in the future. So they do have a how to buy on here. Buy Ethereum from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Install a MetaMask wallet and add Arbitrium 1 network. Send Ethereum to your wallet via Arbitrium network. Okay, so I did miss a couple steps here. Send your ETH to your wallet address via Arbitrium network. I forgot to say that. My bad. Connect wallet to Sushiswap V1. Paste the contract. Use 5% or higher slippage. And buy maximum of 20 million Arbinu tokens, which is what I said. That's the max wallet. And until your purchase goes through, and then hodl. So yeah, they do have the biggest buy competition going on right now. They have even how to buy Arbinu coin step-by-step guide video embedded on here. If you have any questions, it says join the Telegram. They also have a contact email at the bottom of their page. Check it out, arbinucoin.com, and you can find this token newly listed here on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Arbinu? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.